Everyone, it's Jasmill. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a video on these, reviewing and trying out these new eyeliners from Fenty Beauty. I got the ones that are darker because they come in a trio, and I really don't like that. I wish that they just sold them individually because they've been doing that with a lot of their collections. They'll just sell like lipsticks in trios and eyeliners in trios. I really do like the packaging. I like the texture. This one is called Jalapeno. It's super pigmented, it is, and it's so neon and so bright and so beautiful, but you do have to build it up because in the beginning it was really like patchy, and once you do have to keep trying and keep building it up. Felt tip right here. Felt tip is not the best. I wish it was more pointier at the end. I feel like it's very one-dimensional, so I wish it was a little bit more pointier. I love this one from her first Galaxies collection. This eyeliner right here. I love this point. It's just way more thinner. And nonetheless, I want to do a cool eyeshadow look, and I want to try the blue and the pink shades. I want to do pink on one eye and blue on the other eye. And of course, I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles palette. This is what I've been using for the past month because it has all the colors in the rainbow. We're going to focus on the pink side and the blue side. Right. Have you guys been keeping up with all this drama in the beauty community, the Tati and James drama? I don't even focus on that. I don't even like I love the beauty community, and I love a lot of them, but I like don't get too invested in their lives and get too like crazy about them. Maybe it's just because I'm older. I feel like maybe if I was younger I would be a little bit more like, oh my god, like they're so cool and famous. But I just like their work. They're very talented and they're fun to watch. It is what it is. I don't care. I don't really have an opinion. My eyebrows, I put on primer and I set it with a yellowy powder. I'm gonna take these two. So anything that's left over, just wanna bring it up a little tiny bit. What do you guys think of Jaclyn Hill coming out with her cosmetics? I think it's nice. And I'm gonna take a similar like fluffy brush and do it with the blues. I wish there was a lighter blue, but I guess I'll just take this one. Maybe I'll mix it with white a little bit just to make it a little bit lighter. All right, now we're gonna be deepening everything. I'm gonna deepen the pink with this, and then we're gonna deepen the blue with this.
Are you doing a Wanda and Cottesville look?
All right, now I wanna brighten everything. For the pink one, I'll use this pink right here. It's like a light pink, and then this light blue on the inner lids. All right, now we're gonna put these on. Ooh, this formula is way better than the green one. This pink one. It glides on more smoothly, it's not as patchy. This one is called Techno Beet.
You still support James Charles?
It's not that
I know it's a James Charles palette.
It's not that serious. I'm not invested in their personal lives. And now I want to put on these Urban Decay glitters. I want to put one on top. Like, would you ever try Kylie's skin?
What?
Would you ever try it?
Kylie's what?
Kylie's skin.
Kylie's skincare?
Mm-hmm.
No. Why would I buy anything to make that bitch a billionaire?
A second time billionaire.
Man, that billionaire who donated to
The Notre Dame?
No, to Morehouse to make to like pay off all their student loans. Like what he did was really good. But like if he's a billionaire, and if his family can give away like
millions at a time,
$40 million grant to pay off all their student loans, then sir, you can make Flint, Michigan have clean water. Like 40 like this.
Highlight in the inner corner. Let's go with this whitey one. Do a really nude lip. This is DoseofColors. More creamer, please. And I never liked this shade by itself on me. Really light and nude. But I know how to fix it now. So I take this from Colourpop as Maneater. It's a metallic, like shimmery lipstick. And it's a little bit more bronzier and darker. And when I mix it with this, it just looks bomb. And the makeup is done. Is bomb. I freaking love it. It looks so pretty. I love the blue eyeliner the best. The blue one is the best, and this one is called Hot Tub Club. So I love this color. I love also that it's not matchy, like too much of the same shade as the blue eyeshadow, so it really pops. And it went on amazingly. The color didn't get patchy, it didn't dry to like this weird consistency, it didn't really crack or tighten too much, just glided on really nicely. It gave me the least amount of troubles. The pink one is gorgeous, however it is too matchy with my pink eyeshadow, so it is really like almost invisible on my eyes right now because it matches so well with my eyeshadow. And this one, even though it felt better than the green one going on, I did have to layer on a lot, and it got really like crumbly and patchy, and when it dried it started getting really thick and really tight also. These eyeliners aren't like amazing, perfect, like the best formula, but they are really fun. Hello. They are really fun. The colors look amazing on the lid, and if you can get over the having to layer a lot and kind of letting it dry and layering, if you're okay with that, then buy them. I still really like them. I'm not gonna return them. I like them. I like the colors. I think they're fun. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like more of these review videos and makeup videos and makeup tutorials. They're really fun. And let me know what else you want me to review. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We made it past 1,000. Now we're on to 10,000 on YouTube, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it. Say bye, Coco. Say bye. Okay, he's not having it. Bye.